is there anything about us that you say is like that you find the most value in, or like kind of why you choose to work with RevUp?
Yeah, definitely the hands-on training of the front end staff. I mean, the Google ads, all that stuff, that's common, but having someone keeping tabs on the front end, monitoring everything, and just kind of basically helping the front end make the rest of the practice successful. When that, whether that's with the reviews or handling phone calls, I find that the most valuable. It's the white glove kind of service in that aspect. It's like the main reason. I mean, otherwise, websites, Google ads, that's just commonplace. But yeah, definitely having the calls monitored and reviewed, and having someone train your front end staff and listening on everything. That's what, as a dentist, you're in the back, you can't keep tabs on everything or listening to every phone call. So